Hi, welcome back. Another important session in Excel. Let's going to learn four formulas at the same time, but it's not that much difficult, but it is very important for your work. So all these are the time functions, hour, minute, second, and time. All these are the functions and it has its own advantage. If you would like to learn these skills, please subscribe my channel, try your skills. Okay, without further wasting time, let's check how the time function works. Okay. So if you look at this, all these are the table. As I said that in my previous video, if you press Control Shift colon from your keyboard, you will get the current time actually. If you get the current time, currently it is in custom. Okay. If you really want it, you can able to change it to the time format. Okay. So let's try to check equal to, let's try to bring the hour from this time. Okay. Simple. So you got hour. Okay, and if you would like to get minutes, okay, equal to minut, minute is the function. So select your target time text and close the brackets, you will get a minutes. From here, hour and minute. In the similar way, you can able to get it seconds. Okay, so if you choose this formula, okay, so let's come here. So you got a 0 0 seconds. Okay, all these good. Okay, so like let me put it in uh, the time format. Okay, so let's change. Okay, let's put it here, no issues. So I would like to get the time actually. So time, if I want it, I can able to do like this. So you can able to see the hour and you can able to see the sorry, you can able to see the minute and you can able to see the second. This is how you can able to get it. Now you can able to see this, the time function, it is showing 5:40. Okay, as a PM format. If you would like to know this one, let me put it time. By default it is coming this format, and if you'd like to change it, you can always welcome to change it. Different formats, 5:40 like this, and still if you would like to change few more formats. Okay, so you can able to change the formats like this. This is how you can able to perform the time functions. One is with hour and minute and seconds. Where exactly it is required. In your business, you might have tons of sheets. You might be, you would like to maintain the timing, especially sports relevant business sheets, or else maybe work timings, or else it can be like anything for the further matters. If you would like to develop further formulas, you should must have this base formulas learning. Okay, slowly we'll get into the deeper. Okay, if you really like this video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, we have seen four formulas. Thank you so much, wishing you all the best and have a great day.